Oh, they're gonna keep on pouring out. Oh, what? They stopped. What is this guy scoping in at?
What is this guy doing? Is this the baby? Let me suck on those baby toes.
Oh man!
Mm.
My hand is up in the sky and I can't prone because I'm blind. Wow, let me ask blind people if that happens.
I don't think they'll be able to answer you. Why would blind people have their hands up all the time?
I don't know. That's what I want to know.
We burning, boys.
Time to camp your spawn?
Excuse me? Where did this guy go?
Uh-oh.
I am going to rape you. Hands
oh,
up.
Your hands in the air. Hands up.
Hands up, don't shoot.
Oh, I'm not even blind and I can't scope in.
Oh, why couldn't you scope in?
Achievement? Oh, battle tested. Oh, I got max level.
Oh, nice one,
First
bro.
intense prestige.
Hey, grats. I said grats. Ungrateful
People
fuck.
get mad. Say TY after he grats. They get mad.
That's 2 kills.
Oh,
Just
well.
need 3 more.
I'm gonna troll you so hard.
That's 3. No way I'm getting 4. I always die before I get my last kill.
Oh, you must have tac mask. You're cool because you can get in front of this tonight. Yeah, of course, the fire break kills me. OP.
Calm down. Come on, I just need 1 more.
We need to make this our spawn so I can put my carrot pack. Oh,
We got.
I saved
Wait
you.
a second. Hold on.
Yeah, I saved you. Yeah,
I thought
got
that was.
Totally.
Come to flip on, mate.
Hold on.
Where'd they all go?
I wonder if
Oh,
I
they
know
all
what
left.
carrot pack is. Wait, what?
There's only 3 of them. And one's coming this way. Huh.
Let's head clip, bro.
I need 1 more
Uh-oh,
kill.
of course. Nice spawn.
Oh,
Oh, looks like it's over.
got it.
I'll be taking that. How are people getting these camos that aren't in the game?
What camos?
This random orange camo.
You can
can't
make your
unlock
own in this game.
Wait, whoa. What?
Yeah, the make your own thing that they had in one of them. It's in this one too.
How do you do that?
Hold on, I'm about to burn
Why don't
the...
you have a green gun?
Why don't you shut your fucking mouth, eh?
Oh. That was the first time he killed me.
That's the Mantis boy. Oh, he
Yeah,
left.
I'm gonna get complacent. No one's coming. No one's gonna just...
It's only 2 kids and they're both the same person.
What? Same person?
Yeah, they're both dog boy.
Why they look so
You
different?
wanna yip?
Yeah, one of them's the guy who was the hook.
Oh yeah.
No, one of them's the hook and one of them's the smash guy.
That guy is both of those people.
Wait.
Grapple hook
No.
guy is smash guy. Now I'm fucking dead because you made me giggle.
Wait. Is one of them the camper guy? Is one of them the camper guy then?
No, that's the fucking Irish guy with the barbed wire.
Why do you know all this?
I played the specialist training.
Yikes.
Oh, guess they're over here. My bug found somebody.
Oh, you can do callouts? Need help? Wait, how do you do that in game? Wow, you could. Wow,
Yeah, it takes so much
be him in
time.
here. You can be him in here though.
What the?
You could when you kill somebody, you can say need help.
Say say hello. Wave at them.
Yeah, this ultimate BM. They're definitely gonna see it too. They're gonna hear it too.
If we can find
They're
them.
just standing probably.
But they're back here.
They're probably in a corner.
What the fuck? These kids are the best Michael Myers players ever.
Oh, they're probably in that carriage at like thing, wherever it's called.
I don't think so.
Oh,
Easy.
did we actually only need one kill? No wonder they were hiding
Victory.
so hard. Too bad we can't see the last kill.
What did you do?
Be better.
Nice real gun, bud. You sweating?
Wait, what?
Said a bad word. Then I forgot what was going on.
Oh wait. Oh wow.